right, Mike, thanks for letting me come back here to the kitchen at Ramen Hood. Let's break down the menu though. What do you guys got?
So we feature plant-based ramen here in Grand Central Market. We have a few different offerings. We make the broth here in-house. It's a sunflower seed-based broth with dashi and a little bit of white miso. I would say the most popular dish would be the combo, which is a spicy ramen, an avocado toast, and a cold beverage of your choice.
Break down like what people's reactions are when they come here. I mean, it's not often that you get to see vegan ramen.
Yeah, well, we seem to have been received very well here in Grand Central Market, and we're very appreciative of our customer base. We have been welcomed with open arms here by the vegan community as well as non-vegan people that are just looking to have a great bowl of ramen.
You have vegan ramen with an egg. Obviously, it's vegan. How do you guys pull that off?
So we make the egg with our broth. With our broth, agar, which is a seaweed extract, and that solidifies the broth. The yolk is nutritional yeast, beta-carotene vitamins, and a little bit of black salt to mimic that egg yolk, and it looks just like an egg.
It really does. You guys are the first people I've ever seen do this.
Thank you. You gonna dine with us?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a bowl.
All right, cool.
Let's go check it out. So good.